Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do basic hand lettering, whether your handwriting is good or bad. Let's move forward. So today we'll be using a glitter pen, a pencil, and a Schinider black pen. Well, first I'm going to write a word like in my normal handwriting and all. So first, well, the word I want to write is believe. You can write any word you want to write. Well, you try to make it cursive as much as you can, even if your handwriting is okay. Let's say at least just give it life. Give it life. So now you now draw lines on all those curved parts and the lines going down, the down strokes. To give it that artistical look. Yeah, so you see it's now coming together. Okay, so now you shade this part. After writing the word, you draw extra lines. That's what I did here. Now don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So after drawing these lines, we're going to shade the inside to give it that shouting calligraphic look. You can do this to make anything you want. Maybe you want to make a card or so. I'll still give you a video on how to make card for beginners. So now as you shade and shade and shade, we're going to see the final result. Well, we are almost done. As you can see, there's a black pen representative and a glitter pen. I used a pink glitter pen. Well, so now that I'm almost done with this. I hope you're following along. If you can't get this or you didn't understand how I did it and all, you can, well, if you can't understand how I did it and all, you can rewind and you can see how I started all over again. So well, I did one with a black pen. So now I'm going to be putting, this is my, so now this is the finishing state. This is my style, my way of doing this. So for them, please send me a pic of your design and what you made on my Instagram account, art_Jamie_ small letter. So well, follow me on Instagram. You get more of me on @Jamie. Also show you what the video next on how to do basic lettering alphabets my way. Goodbye, peace.